think that, honestly, this is one of my favorite moments, getting to roll around on the river and see all the beauty the city has to offer. Hey. Bonjour, it's Nick Jonas, and I am in Paris, France, on the Seine River, in an Uber cruise. This trip in Paris has been amazing. Beautiful weather, and you just can't beat it. One of my favorite things to do in Paris is eat great food, meeting up with my friends. Uber and Uber Eats have showed up for me many times, but most recently I started a softball team with some friends back in Los Angeles, and we were terrible the first season. Didn't expect to win a single game, but towards the end of the season we won our first game, and I told the whole team to come to my house to have some food and drinks and celebrate after. Then I realized in the car I didn't have any food for anybody. I quickly got on the Uber Eats app and ordered a bunch of food for about 35 people, which came in record time and saved the day and made it a wonderful, wonderful time to celebrate. My brothers and I have the European leg of our tour starting very soon, in a couple weeks. Thank you for joining me on this Uber cruise. It's been so fun. I can't wait to come back and see the fans here in Europe and all over the world next year as well. Au revoir, and I'll see you next time. Merci beaucoup.